how to fix settings not opening on your Windows. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your Windows settings not working. So your settings might not be opening due to the variety of reasons. So first thing being, your PC might be attacked with your malware or some kind of corrupted file inside your PC. So to find out, what you need to do is, first step, just follow the on-screen instruction over here. So first thing, just open up your command prompt just like this by simply typing the cmd and run it as an administrator. Once it opens, just follow my on-screen instruction over here. Just type in sfc/scan now, which is the command, and just enter the code and it will run your complete system scan process. So this might take like 10 minutes to 15 minutes, so you just have to be patient and wait for it, for the complete verification of the scanning system scan. So while it does the scanning, let me show you the second process. What you also need to do is just simply head over to your search bar and just search in for Windows PowerShell. So once you search in for Windows PowerShell, you again have to run it as an administrator and just click on yes. And what I want you to do here is now just copy this code over here, which is shown in my screen. So once I copy it just like this, just paste it over here and just hit the enter button over here. And once you do all of that, you should successfully restart your computer, but only after this verification is complete. So once you do all of that, your settings options should be successfully enabled. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.